Outgoing Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa's close confidant and State Home Minister Basavaraj Bommai is to be the 20th CM of Karnataka. He will be sworn in on Wednesday. Congress member Rahul Gandhi may itself move the adjournment notice on the Pegasus scandal in Lok Sabha on Wednesday, along with 9 other opposition party members. The crisis in the Congress government in Chhattisgarh deepened on Tuesday after Health Minister T.S. Singhdeo left the assembly abruptly, announcing that he would not participate in the proceeding until the state government gave a clear reply to a tribal Congress legislature allegation that he faced a threat to his life from the minister. The announcement that Basavaraj Bommai will be the next Karnataka Chief Minister made by his predecessor B.S. Yediyurappa is a significant gesture to reassure the influential Lingayath community that their interests are safe with BJP and the party will not lose sight of them. Amid the standoff with Mizoram in Chachar on Monday that cost 5 cops their lives, Assam on Tuesday beefed up security along another potential border flash out its long disputed boundary with Nagaland in Jorhat district, reports Anup. The Supreme Court on Tuesday frowned at the long pendency of trial in case investigation by the CBI and said the central agency had not been able to complete prosecution evidence despite lapse of years in many cases. The political battle over the Pegasus spyware controversy heated up with opposition warning that the entire monsoon session of parliament could be disrupted unless its demand for a discussion and an inquiry are met, and PM Narendra Modi urging BJP MPs to expose opponents for not letting Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha functions. The United States said on Tuesday it is pausing some cooperation with Guatemala's criminal prosecutor after the outset last week of the head of prosecution unit charged with fighting corruption. 7 opposition parties have written to President Ramnath Kovind seeking his intervention to direct the government to discuss farmers' issues and Pegasus spyware report in the ongoing monsoon session of Parliament, as they apprised him of these 2 disturbing developments. Akshay Kumar praised Ajay Devgan after watching his emotional video about a soldier. In the video, Ajay is seen reciting the poem titled Sipahi, penned by Manoj Muntashir.